Hi, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Insurance Insight podcast by Policy Bazaar. I'm your host, Vaibhav, and today's episode is brought to you by Policy Bazaar for Business. Policy Bazaar's business insurance vertical aimed and focused at democratizing business insurance across the country. Today, I am excited to be joined by Akanksha, who is the head of people management at TechJockey. In today's conversation, we'll delve deeper into everything that happens there from a business and an employee point of view.
Hi Vaibhav, how are you doing?
I'm well, thanks for asking.
Thank you so much for inviting me. So, basically I head the people management with TechJockey. You all would know TechJockey empowers the SMB where we, focus on providing software solution. We focus on both hardware and software product. And we are B2B partners, where we sell software online.
So you spoke that, TechJockey is empowering SMBs with a couple of software solutions. What exactly are the challenges that SMBs face today and how exactly is your platform trying to solve them? Can you speak a little bit more about that?
Sure. If you talk about common challenges nowadays, one would be, lack of budget, financial constraints, then, non-availability of IT experts, technical resources, you can say, then the time-consuming procurement processes. Lastly, I think it would be the compatibility of integration of software solutions as per the business needs. So these are some of the common challenges that nowadays the organization are facing. So if you talk about TechJockey, how we overcome is our focus is ensure that we create a very user-friendly procurement process. TechJockey is providing a curated wide range of software solutions. They help the SMBs in providing financial recommendations, provide technical experts who can tell them how they can overcome the financial constraint if a organization is facing.
So TechJockey offers both software and hardware solutions. How exactly is the marketplace model of yours trying to solve and give a complete holistic solution to SMBs today?
So we have a comprehensive marketplace. So when I talk about comprehensive marketplace, on one platform only you will see we provide both hardware and software products. Secondly, you can say vendor partnership. We collaborate with the leading software and hardware vendors. Also, these vendors help in providing exclusive deals to the SMBs. Also, we focus a lot on customer support. So there is a ongoing support from a maintenance point of view that is provided to the SMBs. Also, we help in technical support and at times also, give consultations to the SMBs to help them how they can progress in that.
So the Indian startup scene is changing every single day and it is thriving again, right? So how do you ensure that your tech solutions are one step ahead of the curve, and how do you ensure that your industry offerings are always ahead of what the industry requires?
So TechJockey continuously monitors what is the trend in the market, also what are the emerging technologies. We participate in a lot of tech events, conferences, incubators to stay connected with the startup ecosystem, gathering a lot of feedback from the users to understand what challenges and what problems they are facing. Also, you can say we ensure that the platform is updated with the latest software solutions. So we focus a lot on implementing user suggestions and their feedback in order to ensure the platform is updated.
So the tech industry is so competitive right now in terms of both compensation and benefits. So how do you, as a people management head at TechJockey, ensure that you are attracting and retaining talent and it is also at par with the industry?
So if you really talk about how TechJockey is making sure their top talent stays with them and stays connected with TechJockey, we ensure that there is a competitive, you can say, salary structure that we offer to our people. Then secondly, I would say a lot of bonuses are there. We are also providing a lot of cross-learning opportunities to the employees. So if we see, the person has the capability to excel, it's not just in a particular department, they can probably learn and probably see whether they can fit into the other departments also or not. We also provide with the mentorship programs for all the employees, and we also help them in career advancement support. So let's say they want to do certain training and programs for themselves, for their enhancement. TechJockey helps them, supports them financially and mentally in both the sense. And lastly, we also provide employee benefits to ensure that we cater to their mental and physical health needs.
Taking cue from what you mentioned about employee benefits, Can you speak a little bit more about the uniqueness of the employee benefits that Tech Jockey offers today? And how exactly do you differentiate from the industry with the benefits and compensation program that you offer to your employees?
We are extending coverage to unconventional family structures, you can say, providing them coverage for siblings, you can say live-in partners. So we have unlimited OPT services. We help them with telehealth services also. So there are a lot of health checkups that we do, which goes on annually. It's nothing that, we have dental, we have eye. So a lot of health checkups that we do for our employees. We are also organizing a lot of team building activities, helping them to balance between mentally their health and obviously, physical health. Then we provide them with some generous paid off. And lastly, I think the most important is creating a very positive and inclusive work environment for them. The best point is the culture of Tech Jockey. We have a culture where we have a very open door policy. So, people can just go and sit with the founders, talk about anything to everything. They're very free to talk to their HODs. HODs are there to help you. They help you towards the next agenda should be how you can probably uplift yourself in terms of what trainings you should do. Although we also focus a lot on training programs internally as well as externally. I believe employee benefits are utmost important, whether it is from a health perspective, whether it is from a mental perspective, or maybe from a physical perspective. These are very important because, if you provide them with all these benefits, the employee feels the organization cares for you, and then the employee feels that, okay, this is my organization. It has the power to say, okay, I own this organization. So I think irrespective to the fact, whatever the situation is, the organization definitely should provide people with all these employee benefits.
Thank you, Akanksha, for the wonderful conversation. It is always a pleasure to speak to people leaders like yourself and delve a little deeper into diversity, culture, benefits. And I also hope that the Policy Bazaar and Tech Jockey Association continues for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Weber, for inviting me. I'm sure the association will go for long. Thank you.